Hi guys, this is Stephanie and welcome to my channel. Black Friday and Cyber Monday have just passed, and as a Chinese, I have found an interesting phenomenon, and therefore I feel compelled to share with my fellow Chinese learners. Then that is the myth and math on discounts. In this episode, we are going to take a look at the discounts and the differences between China and the rest of the Western world. In the meantime, we are going to learn a couple of Chinese words on discounts. Now, first and foremost, how to say discounts, and that is 打折, 打折, 打折. If you want to ask, do you offer discounts? You can say 你们打折吗? 你们打折吗? And if you wanted to ask about in terms of the specific percentage, you could say 打几折? 打几折? So these are the questions. Now, what about the myth and the confusing part? As I've just said, let me give you an example. If you see some item is only 70% off. Now, in Chinese, we don't say that. We say 打三折, which if you translate that word by word, it means 30% off. Now, that is very confusing, right? So basically, if you ever travel to China, you have to use the 10 minus system to transfer that to your Western kind of like discount system. If you are on the 80% off, English, you have to say 80, right? In Chinese, we just say 8. In that circumstance, let's do a simple math. How many should us Chinese say? You guessed it right. We say 打两折, 打两折. Okay? Now you might be curious about how to say from 1 to 10, and I'll list the video down below. But here, let's have a quick recap from 1 to 9. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. So, now, quick math time. 80% off. 两折, 70% off. 三折, 50% off. 五折, 60% off. 四折, 70% off. 三折, 80% off. 八折, 两折, wow, exciting. So if it's like 90% off, in Chinese that would be 一折. Oh, you gotta buy those things, guys. You gotta buy it. Now, I know you have a question. How to say 15% off? Now, in Chinese, it's still the minus system. And therefore, in this circumstance, you use 100 to minus 15, you get 85. So the discount in Chinese is actually 85. But we don't say 85, we just say 85. Therefore, how to say 8? 八. Very good. How to say 5? 五, yes. So we say 八五折, 八五折. All right, guys. I know it's slightly confusing, but actually in terms of the real language, it's pretty simple, right? Happy shopping, everyone. And hopefully you got a Christmas gift for all of your friends. Oh, if you wanted to send me a Christmas gift, I wouldn't say no. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.